What's going on, everybody? Mr. Influenced here, back at it again with another video. Today we're going to talk about why we lost so much market cap. As you can see, the total Bitcoin dominance is 34.6% with a total market cap of 714 billion. We were around the 830 billion range yesterday, but this is what happened. CoinMarketCap excludes South Korean prices. Total market cap drops by 50 billion. So let's just take a look at this article right here. For the past few months, all cryptocurrencies have seen their market caps go up quite spectacularly. In a lot of cases, the individual prices per currency or token were nowhere even near what people can fetch for it on the exchanges. That is mainly due to the involvement of South Korean exchanges, mainly BitHum, but also Corebit, Coinone, and few others. All of these trading platforms artificially inflate prices and market caps as they trade at a very steep premium over the rest of the world. As a result, we saw Bitcoin's price reported at over 18,000 for quite some time, even though the Western world only came close to that level on one occasion. Right now, the same Bitcoin price is listed on CoinMarketCap at a value of 15,464, which is slightly more realistic. It does represent a massive 5% decline compared to 24 hours, but that's just the adjustment due to Korean prices being excluded on CoinMarketCap. For those unaware, one Bitcoin is valued at over $23,000 in South Korea right now. The same Bitcoin, when exchanged for US dollars, will get you 15,774 at best. It is evident this discrepancy between exchanges has been a problem for quite some time now. There's no solution other than to exclude the Korean exchange prices for the foreseeable future. It is not the first time we see Asian trading platforms trade major cryptocurrencies at a much higher value compared to the rest of the world. I'm going to leave a link in the description to the rest of this article, but I pretty much got everything I needed to know, and that is that CoinMarketCap is pretty much the worldwide average. So if you go down to here and you go to markets, you will see that it's listed on a whole bunch of different exchanges. And before, like if you look at over here, Coinone $22,000 compared to 14.6k on pretty much the rest of the exchanges. That messes up this because it like, you know, it averages out to a lot higher, and it just doesn't look right. And they're saying pretty much the South Korean exchanges were pretty much manipulating the price and making more money buying Bitcoin on these other exchanges and taking it to their own exchange and selling it for way higher. You can just imagine how much money they could have been making doing so. So I think this is actually a good thing. I think this correction is a great time to buy. I personally went and I picked up some Tron. I saw it at a good price at 14.6. I'm waiting for a deposit to get some Cardano because I also think it's a very good buy. What else? And Siacoin. I had Siacoin right before the rise. I had it right here. I had like 50,000 of them, and I sold them like a dumbass. But it's okay. It happens. But the rest of, as you guys know, I hold a lot of stuff, and I'm a strong holder. These little corrections do not scare me. I went through so many of these already that it's like at this point it's really nothing. So I just think of this as a good buying opportunity, possible good sale day on some stuff that you couldn't get before, just like I did with Tron. Tron was around the 18-19 cent range for a while, and now it's like hovering around the 14-15. I got it at 14. I'm very happy I got that. I'm waiting for Litecoin to get into my Bitquick in order to get some Cardano. Now, don't just follow my steps. I've seen a lot of people do good by listening to me, but taking my perspective of a coin and going to do their own research and seeing how much value this could potentially have. So the ones that are doing research are actually making a decent amount of money. Some guy yesterday told me, whoa, Z-Lancer. Alright, so I got in on this at 22 cents, and I mentioned it in a video. I didn't really go hard on it. I just mentioned it in there. I wanted to see who would get in and who would check their research, and one guy did. Well, I don't know about anybody else, but one guy definitely did, and he got in at the same time as me, around 22 cents, and right now he's sitting at 6x profits, and he still believes in it. The name was just changed from Zcash Gold to Z-Lancer. They have a website launching. I'm not sure. It could be today. Oh, it's already launched. it's already launched. So we have a launched product. It's a working product. Let's see, find perfect freelancers for your project. So here you'll find freelancers, and they charge 20 Zcash gold an hour, stuff like that. Marketing, virtual assistant, website testing, graphic design, photo editing, website design. So this is, you could literally hire people to work for you with Zcash, with Zlancer. I think that could go a long way, especially that I need some work on my website. So I might actually look into getting my website built on here. Hiring a rocket engine programmer. You would have to pay, holy crap, that's a lot of freaking Zcash gold. Translate my legal document into Chinese. Like this is pretty cool. This is like there's this thing called Fiverr, where I've seen a lot of these ICOs go on here and hire people to do stuff for them, and you pay these guys in cash, and there's a lot you could get done. So that's pretty much the same exact thing, and that a lot of people go on Fiverr. So this has a great potential, still at a very low price with a very low supply, 2.5 million total supply. That is very, very low. As you can see, it took a spike to, I think it was like 280. I didn't sell. I had a very, very good amount of this, but of course I did some dumb stuff and I sold it. And I'm still holding a few, and that few can always turn into a good amount. Yeah, and now it's at a dip, so it looks like it could be a decent time to buy. Of course, go do your own research. Make sure you believe in the project. Check out the team. If I missed anything and it's a scam or anything, then please leave it in the comments. But just know I'm not your financial advisor. Don't invest anything you're not willing to lose. And yeah, so that's what happened with CoinMarketCap. Now let's talk about Binance, Bitfinex, Bittrex, and Cryptopia. So none of these are taking new users because there's been too many people making accounts. They just can't handle it. So let me read you guys the article real quick. With the surging price of cryptocurrencies, demand has reached the point where cryptocurrency exchanges are completely swamped. This massive influx of users has led to major infrastructure concerns, leading to the temporary closure of their registration portals. Throughout the last half of 2017, digital currency exchanges have posted record numbers of user sign-up. Binance is reporting the addition of 250,000 users per day, while Coinbase has reported numerous days of 100,000 plus user sign-ups, and Kraken boasts of 50,000 new users per day. This is a lot of freaking people. These are all investors, by the way. Like, you got 250,000 users per day. Right here we have 400,000 new users daily, not even counting Cryptopia. So you could just imagine what's to come for 2018. I think it's a great time for some. I think we'll start seeing some ICOs that will be. We need some new exchanges. We need some new good exchanges that hold a lot of coins, that list a lot of coins, because it's definitely messing up the market. But the demand is just getting higher and higher. I'm not going to talk more about this because there's been a lot of talk about it already. Just letting you guys know, the weak hands get scared of stuff like this. I went through it so many times that I look at this and I'm like, ooh, beautiful prices, beautiful prices, beautiful prices. You know what I mean? Like, this is where I get in, and this is where you should be getting in. And you shouldn't be contacting me, asking me at all-time highs whether you should buy in or not. You should be looking at 20% drops like this, getting in on stuff like this while it's down, so you could already be, you know, when this goes back to the price it was 2 days ago or a day ago, then you're already up 27%, 13%, stuff like that. So just be smart and wise with your investing. Like, at the end of the day, this is still worth something. So yeah, I just wanted to talk about those two things. I'll leave these two articles in the description because I didn't read them all. If you'd like, then go read them. Another thing, we got a little update from Electroneum. Well, it wasn't really an update, but if you guys want to help out and just get the word out there on Electroneum, if you guys are holders, then go ahead and go right here and go to their Twitter page. Make sure you give them a follow. Did you know Electroneum hosts the world's biggest active Telegram group? How awesome is that? With over 35,000 users. That's freaking awesome. We have a bunch of users on every single platform: Facebook, Twitter, Telegram. So you go here and go vote for Electroneum being the top blockchain ICO and Richard Els being the top blockchain advisor, just to give him some love. If you guys are holding, you guys should definitely be giving him some love. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I'm going to hopefully catch some more sales. I think I caught Tron at a perfect time. It looks like it's bouncing back. Yeah, so definitely don't be scared. It was just this whole drop is literally because of the Korean market. They just don't want that big manipulation in this. We want a fair market, and we don't want somebody going and making thousands of dollars buying Bitcoin here and selling it for $18,000 here, margin trading that between countries. That's just messed up. They're taking advantage of their own people over there. That's really, really messed up. I got a few more videos to come today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Stay influenced. Make that crypto and hodl. Peace out.